Hello students, you are welcome to Basic Science class. In this video, we'll be discussing resources from non-living things. Resources from non-living things are those non-living materials that are useful for mankind. While non-living things are those things without lives. Some examples of non-living things include car, water, solid minerals, chairs, and all others. But today we'll be looking at soil and solid minerals. Soil can be defined as the uppermost layer of the earth which supports plant and animal life, and they are formed through a process known as weathering. Weathering simply means the breaking down of rocks on the surface of the soil. And we have three types of weathering. We are going to look at the meaning. The physical weathering is when the rock is being broken down by physical means, while the chemical weathering is when the rock is broken down by chemical or water. Then biological weathering have to do with the breaking down of rocks by the roots of plants. Let's look at the different components of soil. You can see it on the screen. It is made up of air, water, organic matter, and inorganic compound. The inorganic compound is made up of stone and gravel. The soil also contains water. The soil contains air. And the soil contains organic components such as plant and animal compost. We have three types of soil. They are loamy soil, sandy soil, and clayey soil. So we are looking at the properties of these three types of soil. We are starting with the sandy soil. The particles in sandy soil are coarse. The particles in sandy soil are loosely packed together. It contains low nutrient content, and again, the soil have low capillary since it is porous. While in the loamy soil, which is another type of soil, it is a mixture of sand and clay soil. In fact, it is the best soil for farming. It has high quality of organic matter. The particles have moderate drainage capacity. It is easy to cultivate. And again, it is good for crop production because it contains organic matter. Then the clayey soil. The clayey soil contains the finest particles and the smallest particles. It has high retention capacity, which means that it can retain water. It is sticky while it is wet, and it is difficult to cultivate. It contains little amount of air, and it is waterlogged. In fact, it is not good for farming. It cracks when it is dry. Let's look at the importance of soil. What do we use soil for? It is used for farming. We all know that we farm on the soil. The soil is used for making poultry work, like clayey pots. It is also used for building houses. Soil abuse. Soil abuse is the mismanagement of soil. And we can mismanage our soil in different ways by mining the soil indiscriminately, by drilling things from the soil can lead to soil mismanagement. Poor farming can also lead to soil mismanagement. All this can cause flooding, soil erosion, and earthquake. It can even lead to desertification. Now we go straight to the other aspect, which is solid minerals. Solid minerals are naturally occurring solid inorganic substances that are found in the surface. They contain rocks and they are called ore. Example of ore is hematite, and the metal is iron. We have pyrites. The metal we get from it is tin. We have granite. Uranus is gotten from granite. Then we have chalcocite. We get copper from chalcocite. Again, we have calcite, where we get calcium. We have different ways we can actually mine this mineral from the earth crust. The first one is underground mining, whereby we have to dig down, while the second method is the surface mining, because the minerals are found on the surface. So we are looking at the uses, types, and location of minerals. Like limestone, we find it in different locations. It is used for making cement. Limestone is used for making chalk. Limestone is used for making glass. It is also used for making steel. Limestone again can be used for making soap. Another mineral is coal. It is found from Enugu State in Nigeria. It is used for road surfacing because we can get quota from it. Then we use it for making dye. We use it for making antiseptics by the time it is being refined. Then it is also used for making plastics. We can use it to generate heat in the industry. Then copper is found in Edo and Anambra states. It is used for making beautiful jewelries, copper jewelries. It is used for making copper cables for generating electricity because it can conduct electricity. Remember, it is a metal, so it can conduct electricity. It is used for making kitchen sink. You see how beautiful it is. It is also used for making pipes because it does not rust. Another mineral is lead, found in Benue State. Lead is actually used for making car batteries. It is used for making underground pipe. And again, it is used for making wires. We have come to the end of this class. Thank you for watching.